In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use shaders in Minecraft Bedrock without RTX. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are running the latest version of Minecraft Bedrock, you can actually use shaders without the use of resource packs or even ray tracing. This is because the new update introduces vibrant visuals. So this is shaders without the need to download anything. It is built into Minecraft. So if you go over to these settings, you choose the video category, you will have simple and fancy under the graphics mode, but now you will have vibrant visuals. So choose the option here. You can choose between favoring performance, which is going to lower the quality, but it is going to be a little bit better to play, more frames per second, or favor visuals, which is going to make the game look prettier, but it can affect performance negatively. So keep that in mind. You can also adjust individual settings, so shadow quality, clouds, volumetric fog, reflections, and so on. So as long as you have vibrant visuals selected, you will be good to go. I also want to showcase that I don't have any global resources active. I have some packs, but none of them are active. This is just default Minecraft. So now if I go inside of any world, you will be able to immediately tell the difference of using vibrant visuals. This is one of the most exciting features they've added in a while. Sadly, at the current moment, it is only available for Bedrock, but they said that they are working on adding this feature to Java, and as you can clearly notice, it looks much better. So the water has this nice reflection of the sun, everything is much more colorful. You can see clouds, so when I fly around, you can see clouds being cast by the sun being on top of my head. And overall, it feels incredible to play with vibrant visuals, especially because you don't need to download anything. It is going to be built into every single version of Minecraft going forward, so all that you need is to update your game and you will have access to all of these features. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.